Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. Good morning. This is for Aaron, Master of Dragons. He's been in our Discord. He's been in our streams before, so we're building for him today. All right, let's talk about today's build for Aaron. Today's build, what we have here is an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 6-core CPU from the new Ryzen 5000 series. Now, for cooling that, we're going to use one of their AMD Wraith RGB prisms. Doesn't skip a beat on it in the 5 series. It's really cooler for the 5, for the like the 3600 and the 5600X. It's really good, a really good cooler. For the motherboard, we're using the MSI MPG B550 Gaming X. Sorry, Schmo's like, I didn't know you were going live today. I get your live notification. Well, hello, Schmo. Good morning, thiccest. Motherboard again, we're using the MSI MPG B550 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi board. Memory for the RAM, we have the G.Skill Trident Z Neo. We have 16 gigabytes of that at 3600 megahertz CL16. Storage, we've got a Crucial P2 1 terabyte. Oh, thank you so much. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for that 3-month resub. Storage again is a Crucial P2 1 terabyte NVMe. And then for more storage, Aaron opted in for he wanted a SATA hard drive. So we're gonna go with the Western Digital Black 2 terabyte, 3.5 inch 720 RPM internal hard drive. And then we've got this all going in the beautiful Antec D700 Flux. We built on that last week as one of our 3 builds we did on Friday. If you guys missed that, that was insane. The Antec DF700 Flux, one of our favorite cases right now. And then we're powering that with an EVGA BQ 750 watt power supply. We got some black and blue and gray braided cables from Formula Mod. And then we've got the powerhouse of graphics is the Asus Strix RTX 3060ti. So it is a beauty of a card that's going in here. Yeah, it'll look good. Without further ado, we're gonna head on over. We're gonna take a peek at all the parts right here behind me. They're all set up, ready to go. We're gonna build this beauty, and then we got a lot to do today. So see you over there. Let's get going. All right, so today's CPU, the beautiful Ryzen 5 5600X. The pins look good. All right, we're gonna install the M.2 Crucial P2 drive. We're all in there. Let's screw it in. It depends. They're all custom quoted. All our stuff is custom quoted. We start anywhere from like 1400 up typically right now. A lot of the lower end graphics cards, like the 1650 Supers, the 1660s, the prices have gone up on those. So it's actually worth a little bit more to buy a system like a new RTX card, like a 3060, because the performance level is that much higher, and the price of it's only like almost like less than $100 more now. So typically our lowest end system is right around 1400. All right, motherboard is all built. Let you guys take a peek at that. Don't forget the case out. Some of the wiring on the back here real quick. Time to drop it in the motherboard. Go top down so you guys check it out. No, not 1400. No, this one is over two grand. That's our average, our lowest systems right now cost around 1400. Yeah, our core system, if exclamation point signature, our core system is like 1499 shipped. It's one of our lowest end systems right now that we're selling. That's strictly meant for gaming. Really hard to build anything less right now because, like I said, the price of the 1660 Supers and the 1660 Ti's and the 1650 Supers, they're astronomical right now. They're going for $330, $350. When a 3060 is only $100 more now. So it's the value of that card versus the 3060 isn't there. That makes sense. Yeah, it's really hard if you're a consumer to build your own right now just because of the cost of GPUs, other components. So we've been blessed to be able to get everything through our partnerships, our distribution channels. And we still be able to offer people really well priced PCs. So beautiful braided cables. So they come with a really clear chintzy cable comb. We're actually going to use some black cable combs for Aaron. Make his day with some nice combs. All right, time for power supply. Got a 750 BQ from EVGA. Beautiful beast. We have to run. We have got our HD audio, and we've got our USB 3.0, and we got graphics card. You're cruising. It's a super thick card. You guys ready for this thing? Woo. Hold on to your butts. Actually, no. For the GPU, we gotta put our cooling fan. Our reverse fan. This is actually a really nice case. This is like one of the best cases for the price right now. All right, thick time. Really thick time. This is a 3060 Ti, and this looks like almost like a 3080. That's how thick this card is. Nick, how do we get GPUs? We are partnered with NVIDIA, so we have direct allocation from NVIDIA for the cards we need. We're a full-time system integrator. We build dozens of PCs a week. This thing's thick. You guys ready? Yeah, it's a beast. That's the 3060 Ti Strix. It's the biggest 3060 Ti card there is. It's ginormous. For a 3060 Ti, that's a ginormous card. She's thick. She's thick. Here we go. Hear that thunk. Yeah, we can beat a lot of pre-built pricing, and we're a custom builder because we don't gouge on pricing. That's one thing we pride ourselves on. Yeah, we pretty much smoke the doors off most other builders, and then we get really darn close to pre-built, and we offer better quality products. Like, you're not going to see a Strix card or an EVGA FDW3 in the same system that we price, that we do, you'll get by a pre-built. So, all right, Chad, what do you think? Look pretty sharp, look clean. You guys ready to boot it up? Appreciate that. Thank you. Light it up. You guys ready? Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us some love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.